The next time you have an awkward moment, you need a quick, efficient solution ready to go. Introducing MONTANC, the most powerful handheld vacuum yet. Designed to work on any floor or surface, MONTANC is the result of thousands of hours of development by a team of ex-Samsung engineers. Their mission was to create a powerful yet ergonomic vacuum that looks as clean as the surfaces it touches. Perfect for the home, office, or car, MONTANC has packed cutting-edge features into a timeless form. It's lightweight at a sleek 1.2 pounds, but it's powerful with a 120-watt high-speed motor that offers 2 levels of fade-free suction for up to 10 minutes continuously. Level 1 is ideal for a quick dust and debris cleaning, while Level 2 is geared for heavier-duty spills and messes. The best part? The compact HEPA filter pops out for an easy rinse, so MONTANC always stays clean. For those hard-to-reach places, attach the crevice tool or the extension wand, and count on the safety temp sensor to automatically pause the vacuum if it's on for too long. The 3 indicator lights let you know battery level, when to empty the filter, and when to wash it. MONTANC's filter even captures particles too small for the naked eye. And when you're done, just snap it back into its dock for a quick recharge. Now you can instantly make messes go away before they accumulate into something bigger, because we know you've got more important things to worry about than a little spill to start your day. So for those who believe a cleaner home is a better home, there's MONTANC, the most powerful handheld vacuum yet.